Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to monitor start and stop flow in Power Automate. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Power Automate desktop application on your computer. Once the application launches, you'll be taken to the main dashboard where you can access all your automation flows and settings. Now direct your attention to the left side of your screen. You'll see a navigation panel with several options available. Click on Flows from this menu. This section displays all your created flows and gives you access to manage them effectively. It's the central hub where you can view, edit, and control all your automation workflows. Next, look at the top of your screen where you'll find a toolbar with various options. Click on Settings located in this top menu bar. This is where you can configure how Power Automate behaves and customize your workflow monitoring preferences. The Settings section gives you control over important features that affect how you interact with your flows. Once you're in the Settings menu, navigate to the Monitoring/Notifications section. You'll notice a drop-down menu next to it. Click on this drop-down to reveal the available monitoring options. From the list that appears, select Flow Monitoring Window. This option enables real-time monitoring of your flows, allowing you to see their status and control them as they run. After selecting this option, make sure to click Save to apply your changes. This step is crucial because it ensures your monitoring preferences are stored and will be active whenever you run flows going forward. Now that you've configured the monitoring settings, it's time to test it out. Try to run any flow you have created. You can select one from your flows list and initiate it. As soon as the flow starts executing, you'll immediately notice something different from before. A flow monitoring window will now appear on your screen. This monitoring interface gives you a live view of your flow's execution, showing you exactly what's happening at each step. You can see which actions are currently running, which have completed, and track the overall progress of your automation in real time. This visibility is incredibly useful for troubleshooting and understanding how your flows operate. Within this monitoring window, you have direct control over the flow's execution. You can stop the flow completely if you need to halt it immediately, or you can pause it if you want to temporarily suspend the automation and resume it later. These controls give you flexibility when managing your flows, especially if you notice something that needs attention or adjustment. And that's it. You've successfully set up flow monitoring in Power Automate and now have full visibility and control over your automation workflows. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.